We're here to introduce today the Power Drill Multi-Tool. It has many facets and options used for pipe cutting, socket driving, nut driver, right angle drill, right angle grinder, hole saw cutter, sander, buffer, and many other options that we won't be able to illustrate today. Okay, after placing the tool around the pipe, you can go ahead and start cutting. And there you have it. The first one's going to be the nut driver. And we'll show you how, by the use of a power drill, we're able to accomplish all these activities. The nut driver is a truly unique tool in that you can come in from the edge and drive a nut up and down a long all-thread rod, as illustrated here. Okay, now we like to show how you change adapters in and out, simply lining up the arrows and clicking it down, and now you've changed it from a nut driver to a socket driver. And we'll illustrate how that works. And there you have it.